guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'm showing you how to delete images and videos in Grok Imagine AI. As you can see, this is the app on my phone. So after creating a video or maybe an image that you just finished on and you feel like it's not good enough for you and you want to delete that image or video, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's see where all your worked on images and videos are being saved in. So click on all. Okay, I think these are your photo and your gallery. So you click on this and you can see your here you can see the one. So this is where all your worked on videos and images are being saved in. So you can click on this and you see your works, all the videos and images, and all you need to do is click on this love right here, click on that and you can see delete. So you can just delete it, and that's how I actually delete and automatically remove it. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.